Consider the equation below. Which of the following is true? X squared minus 10x plus 34 equals 0. So they haven't asked me to solve it. They just want to know what kind of solutions the answers look like. And that we can look at using the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula says that x is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. But what tells me about the kind of solutions is just this quantity here under the radical. Okay, if that quantity is negative, that means you're going to have some i's in your answer and you're going to have complex solutions. If this quantity is positive, there will be no i's in your answer and you'll have real solutions, two real solutions. And if that quantity is 0, you're only going to have one solution because plus and minus 0 is the same number. Okay, so I just need to study b squared minus 4ac. So that's going to be negative 10 squared minus 4 times 1 times 34. So 100 minus 4 times 34, that's 120 plus 16, so 136, which is going to be negative. So that means I'm going to have i's in my answer, so there are two complex solutions. Okay. You will never have one complex solution because you're always going to have a plus and a minus. Okay. And if this number is negative, then there's two. There's a plus and a minus. The only time you have one solution is if this what's under the radical is 0.